Welcome. This is 5-Minute English. I am Charlotte Blackwood. I am your host. I am from London. I like clear words, good manners, and very high standards. This is our room, 5 voices, 5 accents, 1 world. You will meet us one by one, and each of us has a job to do.
I'm Ethan Graves. I'm from Texas. I'm the normal one. Don't let Charlotte tell you otherwise. I keep things simple, useful, and real.
G'day, I'm Fiona Thornton. I'm from Australia. I go where I like. I say what I think. No worries. If there's a back door or a secret, I'll find it.
I am Angus MacCrimmon. I am from Scotland. I do not speak quickly. This is not a problem. I bring a little weight to the room, and I do not waste words.
And I am Arjun Sharma. I am from Bangalore, India. I listen carefully. I speak clearly, and I am always correct. Someone here must keep the standards high.
Every week, 5 phrases, 5 minutes. Simple, useful, real English. The kind you can use outside the lesson, in real life.
And we're all a little bit different, yeah? Different voices, different accents. That's the point, mate. Real English does not sound only one way.
If you would like to join us, subscribe. We will be here next week. Same room, same cast, more English. We are always here.